Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me today. Today I am completing my cards from August, actually, for the Kendra's Card Challenge. This month, my sponsor was Scrappy Tales Crafts, and so they gave me a gift card, and I picked out some Halloween-themed items to use for my cards this month. Kendra's Card Challenge is a challenge where you take six 6x6 sheets of paper and create 15 cards, and Kendra provides the templates to do that free of charge. So I will leave all the information below where you can find out more information on the challenge as well as how to join. And there are prizes every quarter. So if you submit your 15 cards every quarter, you have a chance to win. And you can win a gift card from a Scrappy Tales Craft. That is part of, or one of the sponsor prizes. And so the products I used from Scrappy Tales were a stamp set called Witch's Brew, the little ghost dies called Friendly Mini Ghosts, and then the spiderweb dies are Halloween Essentials dies. And part of the reason why it took me so long to get this video out is because I was waiting on this paper pad from Scrappy.com, and it came out towards the end of the month, and so I grabbed it. I really love this paper. I love the blacks and the pinks and the different colors. This one's called Spooky. It's actually a 6x8 pad, but I cut it down to 6x6, and they do come in smaller paper pads as well. So there are the card sketches, and there are the cut files that I am using. And when I create mine, I put all of my pieces in envelopes. But while I go through these, I'm just going to dry fit these, and so it's kind of a little bit quicker than watching me add adhesive and do all of that. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I've got a picture of the sketch down in the left-hand corner for reference. And so I'm going to go ahead and just add all of my pieces, and then I will adhere everything off camera and then show you the final card at the end of each section. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the challenge and then play a little bit of Halloween music. So this will take you through to the end of the video. But again, Kendra's Card Challenge is a free challenge to join. There's a Facebook group where you would submit your 15 cards for a chance to win every month. And there is a big list of sponsors that you can win prizes from. So it's a really fun way to use up your pattern paper. So whether you have 12 by 12 that you cut down to 6 by 6, or whether you have 6 by 6 paper, double-sided or single-sided, doesn't matter. But the files that Kendra provides will give you the cutting templates, and then it also gives you the 15 card sketches. It's really easy to do, and again, a great way to use up that pattern paper. And we are currently in Challenge 11, and that runs through next month, or this month actually, September. So this will be the end of Challenge 11, and then October, November, December will be the last quarter. That will be Challenge 12, and then there will be, for that challenge, of course, be a new set of sketches and a new set of cut files. And then Kendra also has a Patreon, and that's a great way to kind of thank her for providing this material for us. And it's also got its own perks. You get some free stuff and just some extra stuff that you wouldn't get otherwise. And so all of the information will be below, as well as the links to the products that I am using today. I'm going to go ahead and throw some music on to get you in the Halloween spirit, and I'll catch you back at the end of the video. you liked that Halloween music? Wasn't it fantastic? I'm so sorry. I wanted to put some Halloween music on that was a little lighter and not so dark and dramatic, and I couldn't find any free music that I liked enough to put, so that's why I put kind of that happier tune. But this is the last card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow we will have our monthly sponsor Hop, so I will have a bunch of new products that I'm going to be using to create 15 cards for the month of September, and I'm going to be using Whimsy Stamps products, so I hope you check that out. And if you like this video or found it informative, I would love a thumbs up. As always, I thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I hope to catch you next time.